I think I just need to come to the conclusion that this is not going to be perfect because I have no control. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray. If you are new here, welcome. So today we are going to be doing the color bingo challenge. I think that's what it's called. But basically I was challenged by my god sister to do this. So basically you pick a palette and then you put some numbers in here and then you pick the number, and then yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick 4 colors because this is the second time I filmed this, and the first time I did 6 colors and I was just like, it was not looking good. I don't know the rules. I didn't research this. I thought it would be fun just to do it my own style. We have our bowl right here, and I'm gonna pick out 4. I pray I don't get the same colors. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 colors. So let's see what they are. We got 3. Okay. 5. 1. I already know what 1 is. It's white, so yes. And then 12. Okay, I think we should pick 1 more color because I feel like this is not enough, so. Please give me something good. Something good. Okay, let's see. 16. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5. Okay. So let me just get this in order. So we have 1, we have a 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 16. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm gonna put the colors here. Last time I got green, and I got green again. Okay, yeah, so these colors I don't know what I'm gonna do. So we have pink, we have 2 greens, and we have red and white. So 2 greens, 1 pink, 1 red, 1 white. So this challenge hates me. I don't even know where to start. Like I'm lost. Let's start with 12, okay? I got it. I got this now. So I'm just placing the green where I want it to be, and yeah, and then we're gonna go from there. This is always a good step when you're working with color because you don't want the colors to blend all in and then they get all muddy looking and ugly. So just go ahead and put the color where you want it and then go from there. So I'm making like a half moon. And this is where I really want to focus this green at. Also, it's going to give me the most pigmentation when I pat it in like this. So, as you can see, boom. I don't know. It's really pigmented. Number 5. So I'm just gonna blend this over here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna take the white, which is shade number 1, and I'm gonna pat that on. Okay, so now that is in the center. This is a hot mess. It's a hot mess. I'm gonna take that hot pink and I'm going to put it on the outside here, and then I'm just gonna diffuse it. It's kind of turning purple. Okay, I think that's the best it's gonna get. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna put my whole face on, put some eyelashes on, and then come back because that was just so crazy. So yeah. Okay, so this is the final look, and it took me about 3 hours to do this, and I'm just so tired at this point. I don't know, but it's like a tie-dye moment. Honestly, I can say this was the hardest challenge I've ever done because it's not like you're planning something, like you're randomly picking colors and then you have to make it work. So this is what I came up with. I think it looks okay. I could have did better, but yeah. I don't even know what to say after this. But let me know what you guys think about this video. If you guys want to see me do more challenges and stress myself out, definitely tell me, because I'm here for the content. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hair looking a hot mess, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hopefully this is good enough.